Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears who lived together in a little house in the forest. There was a big papa bear, a middle-sized mama bear, and a wee little baby bear. One morning, Mama Bear cooked some porridge for breakfast and put it in three bowls. A big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a small bowl for Baby Bear. When Mama Bear tasted the porridge, she exclaimed, "Oh, this porridge is so hot to eat." So Papa Bear suggested, "Let's all go for a walk in the forest while it cools down." The three bears agreed and left the house together. Meanwhile, a little girl named Goldilocks was walking through the woods. She lived near the forest and often went for walks, but that day she wandered farther than ever before. Goldilocks saw a little house and thought, "Oh, I wonder who lives here." She knocked on the door, but no one answered. Since the door was open, she tiptoed inside, forgetting that she had not been invited. Inside, Goldilocks saw three chairs. She said, "I am so tired, I need to sit down." First, she sat in the big chair, but it was too hard. Then she tried the middle-sized chair, but it was too soft. Finally, she sat in the little chair and she exclaimed, "This chair is just right." But suddenly, the little chair broke under her weight. Feeling hungry, Goldilocks noticed the three bowls of porridge on the table. She tasted the porridge from the big bowl and said, "This porridge is too hot." Then she tasted the porridge from the middle-sized bowl and said, "The porridge is too cold." Finally, she tasted the porridge from the little bowl and said, "This porridge is just right." And she ate it all up. After eating, Goldilocks felt sleepy. She went into the bedroom and saw three beds. She lay down on the big bed and said, This bed is too hard." She tried the middle-sized bed and said, "This bed is too soft." Finally, she lay on the little bed and said, "This bed is just right." Soon, she fell asleep. A little while later, the three bears came home. Papa Bear looked at this chair and said in a big voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." Mama Bear said in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair too." Baby Bear said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair and it's broken." Then they saw the bowls of porridge. Papa Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." Mama Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge too." Baby Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge and it's all gone." When they entered the bedroom, Papa Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." Mama Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed too." Then Baby Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed, and here she is." At the moment Goldilocks woke up, she was so surprised and frightened that she jumped out of bed, ran out the window, and hurried all the way home. After that day, Goldilocks never went so far into the woods again.